how within 5 minutes I will share with you how to create a logo through Canva Pro. So you need a Canva Pro. If you don't have, then you can reach out me through email or WhatsApp. You can find my video details. You will get it, and you will get only $30 1 year's Canva Pro. So you suppose you have a fashion website or clothing website. So if I click right down here, clothing logo, then come here. So I made some logo here, but I will show you another new one. Some clothing logo. Okay, the spelling was great. Here you go. So here is some clothing logo. Suppose this one, or you can choose the another one. You can choose this one, or you can choose this one, or you can choose this one. So which one you like? You change the name, click the customize, and then can change the name from here, like Khan Fashion Store, and then I do download, or I can make a like circle here, round circle shape, something like that. Not this one. Circle outline like this. So first of all I have to make this one perfect. Okay, and then this outline I will use. Okay, fine. Can make a little bit smaller. Can change the name font, and now it looks good. So I'll do click download JPG, but the logo background is still there. So need to remove the background, and Photopea is like a Photoshop. It's a online. So click the Photopea and then new project, and then click here. Just change the size. So logo size is 500 into 500 pixel, obviously. Then create, and you should insert the click open, Control plus O, then brings the logo here. And now you need to remove the BG. So here is the tools for eraser. So click here left button, then right button, and click magic. Then just click and you can see the magic. So your background remove, and now you can click and you can click here the export as a PNG or JPG. You can put your logo name, common fashion store, and to save. So your logo has done. Let me see your logo, and go the download, and you can see the logo. So this logo you can use your website, your Facebook page, your cover photo, or your new design, and then you can use it totally free. So I have done so many logo recently, and I'm also working as a digital marketing trainer and agency owner. If you need any help and support for set up your brand, website design, as well as your uh, promotion, website SEO, video editing, you just write down Trust Dev Agency, and you can find me. You can click here. You can connect with me through the WhatsApp, as well as you can book my appointment from here, and calendly we can meet, or you can reach me through this email or my Facebook or Instagram. So that's all today's video. Hope see you soon with another video. So that was just tips video. Thank you so much.